A country that is very close to the moon. A country where you can tell the time without looking at a clock. A country where walking in a straight line is impossible. A country where water poured will flow in the opposite direction. And a country where you won't find your shadow. Yes, such a unique country exists on our planet. Ecuador, located in South America. It is also known as the world's second highest capital. This country is full of peculiar phenomena and extraordinary people. Some of the events here are so astonishing that they might seem unbelievable to you. In Ecuador, certain special locations are marked by the government, one of which is a unique line or demarcation within the country. Tourists attempting to walk on this line often stumble to one side, unable to walk straight. This phenomenon occurs due to gravity. This line essentially divides the Earth into two equal parts. It lies on the equator, where gravity is exceptionally weak as the Earth rotates. This is why people tend to lose balance here. Usually, when you pour water into a basin, it spins as it drains. However, at this location, water flows directly downward without spinning. Interestingly, there is no shadow on this line. Neither people nor objects cast shadows here. This happens because this place is located precisely on the equator, where the sun's rays hit directly overhead, eliminating shadows. People in Ecuador can even tell time just by looking at the sun, making clocks almost unnecessary. The country's name, Ecuador, is derived from the English term equator, because the equator passes through it. Due to the Earth's rotation, gravitational forces are pushed outward along the equator, making gravity weaker in this region. Imagine how challenging it might be to live here. Near this line lies a mountain that is considered to be even taller than Mount Everest when measured from the Earth's core. This mountain, Mount Chimborazo, is a dormant volcano and one of the Earth's oldest. It holds great cultural and spiritual significance for the Ecuadorians. They worship the mountain, believing it provides them with shelter, food, and sustenance. The peak of this mountain is the closest point to space due to the Earth's bulge at the equator. Many tourists visit every year to experience its unique beauty. Ecuador also boasts the Galapagos Islands, one of the most isolated islands in the world. It takes a 3-day boat journey to reach them. The Galapagos Islands are home to over 1,000 unique species, including the largest tortoises, marine iguanas, penguins, seals, and other rare animals. This island, recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is unmatched in biodiversity. The species found here exist nowhere else in the world. The inhabitants of the Galapagos Islands are equally unique and lead an environmentally conscious lifestyle, setting an example for the rest of the world. These islands, along with Ecuador's remarkable features, make it one of the most fascinating places on Earth.